What is up, guys? Welcome if you're new, and welcome back. Looks like we're doing this today. We're gonna be test fitting the turbo kit on the single cab. Man, this is awesome. Just got this thing dropped, as y'all saw last video, and now it's time to test fit this turbo hot side. I think we're gonna run into a problem, first of all, with the E-fans, but I hear Summit sells some slimmer E-fans for these trucks, so I may just be able to do that. But I've got to start taking stuff off so I can fit these headers on and get that crossover pipe coming along right across the front here. Probably gonna pull the E-fans, gotta pull the air box, coolant reservoir, and then, you know, I've got to pull the headers after that. So looks like I'm gonna be doing some cutting today, cutting the exhaust off and pulling these headers out. So I'm gonna start doing that. I'm gonna set y'all up for some of it, and here we go. So I've got the coolant reservoir out of my way now, and I've got the air box out of my way. Now what I've also got to do is get these heater hoses out of my way, and you got to use a quick disconnect up here on the top to remove the fittings. But what I'm gonna do is just loosen these hose clamps and just lay them off to the side over here so I can see if everything's gonna fit up. There we have it. Got the hoses up out of the way. Oh lordy, them AC plug-ins just hanging down there. Anyways, so I'm gonna pull these spark plug wires off and start pulling these headers off. I'm gonna have to cut them and just pull the exhaust out and pull the headers out. But I'm not gonna show y'all how to do that because y'all have seen me put them in and stuff. So guess I'm gonna do that and show y'all once I've got that going for me. Got them headers off, and yeah, that went by way faster than I expected. I kind of proud of myself, you know, for getting them out that fast. So let me go grab these headers now, these forward facing headers, and let me grab the passenger side. So passenger side is going to sit forward like so. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt these up, and I'll go ahead and put the gaskets in between them just in case, you know, this is permanent. So yeah, let me put these on real quick. Got the passenger side bolted up here. Man, I like the way this looks already. It's like literally the cleanest thing in my engine bay. Good Lord. Anyways, now I'm gonna hop over here, do this driver's side one, and show y'all what that looks like. All right, guys, got the driver's side bolted up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put that exhaust pipe that wraps around here and set y'all up so y'all can see me putting that in. But yeah, fitment's pretty good so far. I'm not sure what I would have to do about this harness right here. Maybe I have to wrap it, I'm not really sure though. But this side's fine, there's plenty of room. So let me go grab that. All right, I actually just pulled the E-fans out because they're not gonna clear with this exhaust. So that kind of sucks. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna have to move this radiator hose too. Come under here. Now this is in the way. Oh my gosh. Bear with me. Get this bracket out of our way. These giant gloves that I have on. By the way, I'm wearing these giant retarded gloves because I don't want to get fiberglass all in my hands. Man, I bet that looked dumb as heck when I came on and I was like wearing these gloves. But yeah, guys, I'm just trying to keep fiberglass out of my hands because I hate the way it feels. Alright. Here we go. Grab the exhaust. Oh, it's down here. I wasn't looking. Grab the exhaust. And place that one there. And place this one here. Let me do this side first. So that's how the exhaust pipe looks. Here's how the engine bay looks. I like it. I like it so far. Definitely gonna have to get some different fans though. Now we're gonna go ahead and mount this turbo. Shoot, guys, I don't even know if I have the right bolts for this thing. Might just have to stick some studs to there or something just to hold it there to see what it looks like. So let me go figure that out real quick, and then I'm gonna place that turbo on there. It is so sick, dude. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What is up, guys? It is actually a couple of days later, and I've got the truck pulled into the garage because it's supposed to rain all weekend, all next week as well. So I've got to work on it still. I've got to crawl on the ground. I've got to do oil pan stuff, you know, swap the oil pan with one that's already tapped. I have one, so that's just what I'm going to do. But right now, I've got to pull the injectors. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to be able to run this stock coil pack harness because that wire is pretty close there, but apparently there's a way that you can move these up, so I might try that. But I may end up just putting them on the frame down there and running them like that and clean up the valve covers, just make it look good. Let's see. I mean, that's pretty much how it would look right there without coils on it. So I've got to swap these injectors out with some decapped stock truck injectors. There's a guy on Marketplace that's selling them for pretty cheap, so that's just what I'm gonna do. Run a set of those, and that should be plenty for around 500 horsepower, which is really what I'm aiming for right now, just because I only have a Walbro 450, and it'll be like 70-pound injectors, plus the stock bottom end 4.8, literally just cam only, and then stock-ish 4060E, but that's going away very soon. That'll be TH400 swapped very soon, not 4080, TH400. So yeah, I've also got some plans for the differential, but we'll figure that out if I get around to that. I was honestly thinking 14 bolt out of a Silverado SS. I think that would do pretty good on it. But yeah, let me set y'all up and show y'all what I'm gonna do next. I think I'm just gonna pull the injectors out. So let me get started on that. Alright guys, so scratch everything I just said about changing the injectors. The tuner's gonna do all my work for me. I'm giving him my old motor, and he's gonna do everything. He's gonna put the cold side together, relocate the coils because these headers are pretty in the way, and I mean everything. Tap the pan. Yeah, there's just a lot that goes into it. I haven't done turbo stuff in a while. I could definitely do it all myself, but when he said, hey, I'll go ahead and do it all for you, I was like, ooh, I might have to do that. But, you know, since I'm relocating the coil brackets, I went and got something cool. Had to go get something cool. I was like, damn, like, I can't even do my own work on my truck. I gotta do something. So, gotta show y'all what I got in my hand. Check this shit. Check these out. These are sick. These are so sick. And they don't have any bolts for the coils in them. I mean, for the coil packs in them, so it's like, it's just slick. Man, these look awesome. I'm gonna put these on the motor and take these old nasty ones off that match everything else in the truck. I think these are gonna match very well with, you know, it's a black truck, plus everything under the hood is becoming a new shiny color because we're going turbo. So I'm gonna take these valve covers off and mock these ones up and show y'all what they look like. So here's a little before. Here we are, boys. Dang, son, these hoes are clean. Dang, look at this. God, I love it. Looks so good, especially on this side. Damn. Kind of hot. Kind of hot in this garage. Kind of humid. But yeah, those valve covers look sick. Got them at Summit. Can't remember how much I paid. I'll put the link for them down in the description. But in order to run these, you got to relocate the coil brackets. That's the only way. But dang, I really like the way they look. I mean, it almost transformed this engine bay with them like that, honestly. So, all right, I'll catch y'all whenever we're doing something next with the truck. What is up, guys? So, y'all just saw we got them valve covers on. That was actually yesterday. Now, we're about to push this truck out of the garage and put it on the trailer. Got a U-Haul. I have my dad's truck out there. Got Tanner pulling up in the SS. Y'all think these look similar? So, yeah, we're gonna push the truck out of the garage and push it all the way to the end of the driveway and pull the trailer here, and we're gonna try to push the truck up onto the trailer with 3 of us. So hopefully we can do it. Here we go, guys. About to push the truck up onto the trailer here. I'll set y'all up here and hopefully get it right the first time. Here we go. Ramp on the U-Haul. Well, we got it on the trailer. Got Tanner over here. Got Tanner over here using a strap on. How you doing? Oh my God. Hopefully the next time this truck's back in my house, it's turboed. That'll be nice. All right. Go get it. It's on. Ah. Trans is leaking, coolant's coolant. Whole coolant system will probably drain out on the highway. Ready?
You check your lights?
Yep. And that ram squatting. All right, let's go take it.
Are we ready?
They're crawling through the other door.
Oh, if we're gonna have to close it.
Yeah. You just don't close it, that's all.
No, I'm saying with you're sitting in it, now it's gonna be lower.
Oh! Close it. Close it.
Yeah, we'll just go right out the back,
Just
right underneath that hinge, or as close as we can.
wherever you, yeah, we're somewhere in the fender, like over here somewhere. So that'd be sweet.
Cool.
Cut it.
The way you did on that old C10.
You get to cut a hole in my truck.
I got a big hole saw.
That's sweet. Shoot.
Yeah, what room to get tucked in there?
Look at that. You think that E-fan will fit pretty good too? That shroud will fit in here.
Yeah, you got plenty of room.
Yeah. And I'll send you the part number for that. All right, guys. So I'm leaving the truck here with the tuner. He's gonna get it all running. I'm going on vacation. That's why he's working on it, not me. And I just wanted it to be done so I could keep giving you guys content. So I'm going to celebrate my 21st. So while this truck's getting built, we're gonna be having some fun. And he's gonna be recording for y'all as well. He's gonna do what he can, record what he can. He's gonna try to be not so antisocial here. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna edit this video tonight, put it out for you guys Sunday morning hopefully, and I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching. Peace.